এখন ঠিক আছে।
শুরু করুন।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহ। I am Muhammad Abu Hassan Rana, Senior Instructor of Computer Department in Uttara Engineering College. I am very happy for the reason of today our English Day, and our authority has already decided every Thursday in our college everybody try to speak in English. So we all are try to our language improvement. Okay, so that this is our first video. In this situation, we try every 6 day learn vocabulary or making sentence and try to understand myself and try to understand others speaking. And for this improvement speaking English, we have to follow 4 things. First of all, we listening English, reading English, then writing English and speaking English. If we try to our best to follow these rules, our speaking will be improve gradually day by day. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.